Shout out to Orlando for asking this question. He says he gets speed wobbles and he's wondering how to mitigate it with the settings, specifically the tire PSI, the damper settings, and the suspension. So let me just show you where I've got mine set. Move it towards the right, which is the plus, as far as it'll go, and we'll see how many clicks away I am from the farthest to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So we're 10 clicks away from all the way to the right. And you want to make sure both of your dampers are set the same. So the same stiffness. If you have one not as stiff as the other, it might throw off the steering. We'll do the same procedure here. We'll turn it to the right as far as it'll go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're 6 away from the hardest on this way. 6 on the rear. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 from the hardest on the front, 6 from the hardest on the back. And then the final question is tire PSI. I keep them at 32, which is the max that it says on the side of the tire there, if you read it. The other big thing is when you're standing on it, keep your rear foot centered, and then same with your front foot. Keep it centered and as far forward as you can. That'll help keep your balance and keep your weight balanced, so then you'll have less speed wobbles, trust me.